Hey everybody, Mimi here with Save My Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a website from scratch in less than 20 minutes, even if you have no knowledge of web development or design. All you have to do is watch the video until the end, so stay tuned. Alright guys, whether it's for your business or you simply just want to launch a website to share your personal hobbies and interests, you could be thinking, building and launching a website is costly and making your own can be too overwhelming. Yes, it can be quite expensive if you hire a professional, but we'll show you how you can make a stunning website is just as good with very little cost and time in just under 20 minutes and be proud of your own creation. In this video, we'll take you through all the steps from buying your domain, aka web address, to building and launching an impressive, fully functional website just like this one here. So let's just get started. For demonstration purposes, we built this website for a restaurant called www.hinghamthaifood.com. Let's go through the step-by-step process to create a site just like this. So, to create and launch a website like this, we need to follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create a WordPress hosting. In this step, we'll go through the process of buying a domain and hosting for our website. So a domain is the web address for your site, and hosting is a web space where your website is stored. If we compare creating a website to building a house, the hosting is the land that we build our house on. Once we have our hosting ready to go, we can set up the WordPress framework in a single click. You may be wondering, why should we use WordPress framework to build our site? We'll get to that in a bit. But before we get onto acquiring a domain and hosting, we need to consider a number of factors. We want our website to have fast performance, and we definitely want it to be secure. There are many different places you can get a domain and hosting for your site, but we recommend SiteGround because it is becoming the most popular hosting provider over the past couple of years. It's recommended by WordPress itself. It provides you with smooth and fast performance, maintains high security for your website, and they provide great support for their clients. Yes, there are many cheaper options available in the market that save you a few bucks, but in my opinion, they're not worth the headache of inadequate support when you need it or compromising the security of your website. Also, they may be cheap to buy, but you'll be hit with a high renewal fee when your subscription expires. So, to avoid unnecessary hassle, you can go with SiteGround and have your peace of mind when it comes to support, performance, security, and transparency. So, to buy a domain, just simply click on the link in the video description below. Once you click on this link, it will bring you to this page of our website. To make it easy, we have provided all the tools that you'll need to build your site all in one page here. It's very simple and easy to follow, and if you use the links provided, we get a little kickback from the companies, which helps us create more helpful content like this. Using the links doesn't cost any more money to you. Prices are the same either way, but you will be helping us a great deal. So now we'll just click on Get Hosting. It will bring us directly to the SiteGround's Manage WordPress Hosting page. Here, you can see the different options and price plans. If you choose the startup plan, it provides you with hosting for one website, 10 gigs of web space, 10,000 monthly visitors, and the more you pay, the more space and features becomes available. Just like the more you pay, the bigger land you get for building your home. Now guys, if you think you will have more than 10,000 visitors per month, I highly recommend getting the bigger plans. You don't want to restrict the growth of your website and limit the amount of visitors per month. And it's just a few extra bucks for a lot more space and features. For this video, we're gonna pick the startup plan as we are building a single website, and this is for demonstration purposes only. So we'll click on Get Plan, and it'll bring us onto this page where we can register a new domain. If you already have a domain, select I already have a domain and enter the address here and click Proceed. So if your domain like hinghamthaifood.com is available, it will bring you to this registration page. Now we fill out these information. Choose your plan. We pick Startup Hosting Plan already. Then choose your data center. We are in the US here, so we chose USA. And finally, choose your hosting period, meaning how long do you need hosting for? Choose whatever duration you want, whether it is a year, 2 years, or 3-year plan. We're just going to pick the 12-month period plan for now because we are buying this hosting for this tutorial only. Once we are happy with the terms and conditions, we'll click Pay Now. You will be prompted to verify your order via text message or phone call. We will opt for the text message. Now click Next. We inputted the code sent to us, and that's it. We have our own domain and hosting ready. So now that we have our domain and hosting ready, we'll install the WordPress platform in a single click. The reason behind using the WordPress platform is it's simple and the most popular way to create your own website nowadays. More than 34% of all the websites on the internet today are powered by WordPress. One of the main reasons behind its popularity is that you can build and manage all aspects of your site without needing to know anything about programming. That's why 1 in 4 websites that you visit are likely powered by WordPress. To give you an idea about its popularity, sites like Microsoft's own official blog and the Rolling Stones website is powered by WordPress. So, to install WordPress, we'll just click on Proceed to Customer Area. Then click on Set Up Site. Select Start New Website. Select WordPress. Then enter the login details we want to have for WordPress, email and password. Then click Continue. Then we'll click on Finish. Now WordPress is installed and our website is live. To check it, let's open a new tab and enter our web address. Here we can see that our site is already live. So we are done with step 1. Now we'll move on to step 2, where we'll set up the theme for our website. As you can see here, the homepage is empty by default. We want to create a homepage for our website. We can do it with the default theme installed with WordPress. But the problem is that it doesn't have any visual builder like this, where you can simply drag and drop elements and create your page with much more ease. Guys, there are tons of free themes available in WordPress repository. But here's the catch. No free theme is truly full-featured, and you definitely won't get any visual builder that help you design your layout without having some technical knowledge. You can get a full-featured bundle by upgrading to a pro version, but it'll cost you a decent amount of money. I recommend avoiding jumping through all the hoops and using the DV theme, which is very popular amongst developers as well as novices. The main reason for using DV theme is its drag and drop builder. Building layouts is easy and fast, making it ideal to create mockups and creating the website itself. Also, it's super easy to learn and used by non-developers to create amazing websites. To install Divi, we need to follow these steps. So, we'll go back to the Tools page of Save My Tech that we already have open here and click on Get Theme. It'll bring you to this page. As you can see, there are 2 different plans available and it's pretty self-explanatory. If you pay $89, you'll get it for a year, and if you pay $249, you get lifetime access. You can pick one according to your budget. If you are thinking long-term savings, I highly recommend going for the lifetime access instead of paying $89 every year, as it will provide you with lifetime updates and you'll never need to pay and renew again. For this video, I'm going to choose the yearly $89 plan because we are just creating a demo website for this tutorial only. So we'll click on Sign Up Today. Fill out this form. We will choose our payment method. We are choosing to pay via PayPal, so we selected PayPal. Once we're happy with the terms and conditions, we will click on Complete Registration. It brings us to the PayPal payment page. We'll click on PayPal Checkout. Enter our PayPal information, click on Next, enter our password, then click on Log In. Choose a way to pay, click Continue, click Agree. So now we have the theme and we need to download it. To do so, we'll just click on Login to download. Enter the username and password that we've created for Divi and click Login. To download Divi, we'll just click Download the Divi theme and it'll be downloaded to our computer. Before we can start creating our homepage, we need to install the Divi theme that we just downloaded. To do so, we'll log into our WordPress site. To log into our site, all we need to do is type /login next to our site's address and hit enter. We'll enter the login details that we created for WordPress earlier and click on Login. And now we're in. This is the WordPress dashboard from where we can fully customize and control our website. Now we'll install the Divi theme. We'll click on Appearance, then click on Themes, click on Add New, then click on Upload Theme. Browse, then upload the Divi theme which we downloaded. We'll click on Install Now. The theme is now installed. Then we'll click on Activate. So now we've installed the Divi theme, and in a new tab we can just type in our website and press enter. We'll see the Divi logo appears here, which confirms the Divi theme is successfully installed for our site. Now that we have the Divi theme installed, we need to activate it. To activate it, let's go to WordPress, click on Divi, go to Updates, and enter the username that we chose for Divi. Then we need to get the API key from the Divi website. So we go to the Divi website, then onto Account, click on Username and API Keys. Click here to copy the key. Go back to our website and paste it here. Click on Save Changes. The Divi theme will be activated. So now we have successfully installed and activated the theme for our website. Step 2 is done. Now the fun begins. We're now on step 3, where we'll start building our actual website. So, as you've seen the website at the beginning part of our video, we'll start building the exact same site from scratch. We can break down the process into 4 different parts. We will create a homepage, create an additional page, and create a menu. We'll also change the logo to our own. The homepage is the first page a viewer will see when they land on our website. As we saw earlier, if we go to our website, we can see that the homepage is now empty. To create our homepage, we'll click on New, then click on Page. Click on Use Divi Builder. We can see there are 3 options here. We can either build it from scratch, which we will show you later, choose a pre-made layout, or just simply clone an existing page. We're going to select Choose a pre-made layout and click on Browse Layouts. And it'll bring us to this page for various layouts. Since we are making a restaurant website, we'll choose Food and Drink category here, and it'll filter the templates for this category. Let's say we like this one here called Food Recipes. So we click on it, we can see a preview of the design here. We'll click Use this layout, and it'll be added to our page. We'll click on this purple button. It'll open the page setting options. Now we'll click on the settings icon and add the page title. To change the banner image, we click on the section settings icon here. It'll open up this wizard. We can delete the default image and click on Add Background Image. Then we'll click Upload Files. Select Files, choose the file we want, and click on Upload Image. We'll also enable this option, Use Parallax Effect. We can change any image on the page the same way. Next, we'll change the title of the banner by clicking on the Settings button here. We'll type in the new title for the banner. We can change the font and other design attributes here. We can change any text on the page the same way. We can change the background of the content area here. Add transparency to the background. Add padding to the sides. We can change the button text simply by double-clicking it and modifying the text. Once we're happy with everything, we'll click on the Publish button and our homepage will be published. Now we'll have a look at how our site will appear on mobile devices. So the page has been created. It's time to set it as our homepage. To set this page as our homepage, we need to go to WordPress and then click on Dashboard. Click on Settings. Click on Reading. And we can see this option called Your Homepage Displays. Select a static page and select Homepage, the page that we've just created. We'll hit Save Changes, and our homepage is set. If we open our website in a new tab, it'll show the actual homepage that we've just created. You can set any page you create as your homepage by following the same instructions. So far, we created a page using the pre-made page layouts, but what if you want to create a page from scratch? Let me show you. It's real easy. So, to create a page from scratch, let's go to New and click on Page. We can add a title for our page here. We'll call it Contact Us. Click on Use DV Builder. This time we'll choose Build from Scratch. It'll bring us to this blank page and we can start creating our page. By default, it will pop up the Insert Row options and it'll provide us with all different kind of layouts like this. We'll pick this one because we'd like to have the address and all the contact info on the left and the Contact Us form on the right. So we'll just click on the section we want and the new section will be created. Now, if we click on this plus icon, we can see a variety of items that we can add to our page. We'll choose text and it'll be added. Now we can type in all the contact information here. Let's make the Contact Us text as heading, and we'll pick heading 2. To the right here, we'll add a contact form. So same as before, we'll click on the plus icon here and select Contact Form. And now the contact form is added. Now we'll configure the email address so if someone reaches out to us via our Contact Us page, we'll get the email. Click on Email and enter the email address here. Now we can drag and adjust the section to how we want it to look. Nice, right? Now we'll show you how to add a full width header to our page and drag it to our desired location. When we say full width, we mean the header will take up the full width of the page, just like this one here. Okay, let's click on the blue plus icon and choose full width. Choose full width header. We can edit the title and remove other content from this section that we don't want. Now we will drag this section to the top of the page and the new section becomes the header of the page. We'll click on Publish and a new page will be published on our site. We'll exit Visual Builder and you can see that the contact page has now been added to our site. So the same way you can create any number of pages you want. Now that we're done creating an additional page, we'll move on to the next part, which is creating a menu. To create a menu, we'll go to Dashboard, then click on Appearance, then click on Menus. and it'll bring us to the menu creation page. To create a new menu, we'll type in a name for the new menu. Let's call it Hingham Menu, and we'll click on Create Menu. Now to the left-hand side here, we can see the list of pages we've created so far. We'll just check the boxes and click on Add to Menu, and our menu items will be added. You can drag each item to your preferred menu order. Now, if we click on the down arrow button on the menu item, here we can change the menu item name. Once we're done, we'll click on Save Menu. Now we need to choose where we'd like to display our menu. We need to click on Manage Locations, and there are a few different options here. So if we'd like our menu to appear here at the top, we'll need to assign the menu we've just created to the primary menu. Then we'll click on Save Changes. To see if it works, we can click on Contact Us, and it shows our contact page. And if we click on Home, it brings us to our home page. So guys, now we have successfully created a menu for our website. Nice and easy, right? Now we're on to the last part, where we will set our own logo. Right here, you can see that the logo is a default DV logo, but we want to change it to our own. So it's real simple. To change it to our own logo, we'll go back to WordPress dashboard. Click on DV, and here we can see the logo option. To add our own logo, we'll click on Upload. Then Upload Files. Then choose the file we would like to use. Now we'll click on Save Changes. And it's been changed. To check if it's been changed successfully, we'll go to our website and hit refresh. And we can see that the logo has been changed. So there you have it. We now have a nice, fully functional website that we built in almost no time at all. Remember to like our video and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted to more helpful videos in the future. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer them. Take care, and thanks for watching.